Forensics analysis, reverse engineering using computer tomography. Let's figure out how we can do that. Some of our customers from time to time need to understand exactly how to connect a probe to a specific pin on a BGA, or if for any reason they need to do reverse engineering of a board. In the past, destructive ways were used, right? So it means that you have to remove the component and then you literally have to physically sand one layer of the board at a time to expose the inner connection layers of the PCB, take photographs, and then use a scanner or some other technology to be able to piece all those layers together to recreate the circuitry. Or, as I said before, for forensics analysis, if you need to understand how to do a JTAG connection or power connection on a component, you'd have to use destructive methods. Computer tomography is an incredibly powerful tool to help us do that. And as you can see here, this is a Raspberry Pi board that we use for this example. Fairly complex board, it's multi-layered with a fine pitch BGA. It shows you what the computer tomography can do. And as you can see here the thickness of the board. So you're going to see, we're looking at a cross section of the board. You can see discrete components here. I can also see the vias, through-hole vias, the micro vias on the package. And what I want to point out for you guys is our ability to go now layer by layer. And as you can see here, the power distribution layer on the board. And as I keep going down, this is a ground plane on the board. And I keep going down through the layers of the board until we find, for example, the connection layer. And I can go ahead and verify that this via, for example, connects to this pad outside, and here I can put a probe. And we can see, layer by layer of the board, which is incredibly powerful, very, very versatile way to do reverse engineering and forensics. So if you have an application like that, or you need to find out which pin on the BGA to connect to for whatever application you might have, law enforcement, forensics, or if you are doing any level of reverse engineering where you don't have the schematics for the board and you want to be able to capture schematics based on the multi-layer of the boards, computer tomography might be the solution. And if you think it is, give us a call or connect us at creativeelectron.com. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Thank you.